got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy.
Channel today I will be doing a makeup look that y'all kind of requested. So, well, actually I asked y'all on Instagram and y'all were like, I want you to do this and do that. Okay, brows, and then y'all picked glitter, not like just regular ombre lips, and then y'all want my face to be super highlighted. All right, primer I'm going to be using, it is going to be the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Refined treatment, and I'm gonna apply that right here. And this one gets super tight, super fast. Of pomade in shade medium brown, and I sprayed a bit of water on it so it could get all like, you know, slippery and slidey. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and spoolie my brows, and y'all already know I shaved half of my brow off, like y'all see that. So once it's good and it's cleaned, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the brow add product onto the brush. Go ahead and start making hairline strokes. Just like that, right? And y'all said a glam brow, y'all don't want like a straight brow. So I will be doing that. To define my brow, I will be using, oh, did I tell y'all what brush I use for my brows? Oh shoot, it literally disappeared. I don't know which one I'm using, but the one I will be using to define my brow is the M124, either the Too Faced Born This Way in shade Marshmallow. So I will be using the P. Louise base in shade 01, and I apply it to the back of my hand just to warm it up. And I will be grabbing the M173. Blend it all out. And go with this palette. And the first shade I will be picking is Big Wig. It's a dark purple. Be applying that on my face. Pinker. I'm using a V20 brush by Cosmetics. And I'm just adding that shade slightly on top of the purple, the dark purple. And the shade Clipping. Q-tip, and they grab my ciliary water and they clean it up before they cut the crease, just so it could be nice and crisp. Y'all already know what concealer brush I use, because I always use it. It's the Bare Minerals concealer brush. It's literally called the concealer brush. So I'm gonna be using the jaclyn pigment, and it's the hot pink pigment, and these pigments are bright. They're so bright. I love it. So I brought y'all a little bit closer so y'all could see like the pigment and everything. So once the base is kind of set, you're gonna go ahead and add. I'm really in love with pink and y'all already know that. We'll be using the ABHx glitter on my lid because I don't want it to stay on my lid since I'm just gonna be taking the glue off. And I'm gonna coat my eyelid with it. It's from the same company and it's just the glitter with the pigment in there. This is literally my favorite shade they have. Big wig. And I'm just gonna blend this out. The shade Big Wig, and we're gonna add that on there. No, let's do pinker. I'm gonna do the shade Pinker. I will be using is the Born This Way in shade Swan. And I am going to pump this into my beauty blender. And the foundation I will be using, the concealer I will be using, going to be the same. Marshmallow, the shade Marshmallow Born This Way concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that on the bottom. Too Faced setting powder, and I'm going in with the brush. Contour, I will be using the Tarteist Pro Glow. And I'm just going in circles and going. Alright, once we're done doing that, we're gonna go ahead and add some blush. Still haven't bought blush, girls. I need to freaking buy some blush. And just smile and just add your blush. I have one up right here. And clean up like that. Just like that. Pero I don't like leaving it that long, so I literally wipe it off right away. Okay, once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and spray our setting spray, and I use the Morphe by Jeffree Star. The Jeffree Star times Morphe setting spray. This is a life. Alright guys, so I'm back and I just got a different shirt on. Dude, I love black. I don't know, I just love it. So I will be doing my lips, and what I will be using is going to be the MAC pencil. It's a lip liner. It's Boldly Bare. And then I will be using my lip gloss. This is by ColourPop, and it's in an ultra glossy lip in shade Finesse. And I will be also using my MAC lipstick, and it's in Candy Yum Yum. And I overline my lips, but then like when I come down to my natural lip line. I don't know if I'm the only one, but this is weird. I hold my breath whenever I'm doing my lip liner or like my eyeliner. I don't know if I'm the only one, but let me know. because I feel like that's a little weird. I just feel like if I breathe, I'm gonna freak it up. Freak it up. I feel like right now I was breathing and I screwed it up. Where's my little concealer brush? I hate when I lose it, and it's like the littlest one, so like it gets lost. Okay, alright, I kind of messed it up, so I'm just gonna go and fix it. Just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna be adding the MAC. Oh my gosh, this is pink. So now we're gonna be adding this. I got it like when I was freaking 18. Why? I have no idea why. Are we adding that to the middle of my lip? Right, ombre. I legit did like a little bit. Fully bare. Just to give it a little kick. Okay. Oh, highlight. I forgot highlight. Wet and Wild. And it's in shade Golden Flower Crown. I don't know, but this blush makes me look like I have shiny cheeks. Like shiny cheeks. I'm gonna use my fan brush to add this on there, and then I'll be adding some more setting spray just to have it hold on there. I wish they had mirrors right here, but I'm gonna go ahead and just so I like adding some on my chin también, and then some on the middle of my forehead. Let's blend it together. Alright, so this is the finished look. I really love this look. Like, this look is one of my top 10 looks that I freaking loved. I have no idea. Okay, every time I rush things don't come out the way I want them to, and this time I literally took my time and it came out really good. I feel like this is gonna be a good ass look. If y'all do this look, make sure to tag me, and just make sure to follow my social media, and make sure to subscribe and like and comment, and I will see y'all on my next video. Bye guys, love y'all.